first and foremost would be supplies. You're going to need duct tape, an X-Acto knife, foam board, and scissors. For the first step, you need to take your foam board and outline your chainsaw. Now, I only started with the base, which is just a rectangular box, and I did not outline the blade nor the handles yet, and I saved that for later. And I outlined it how I deemed would be best for me, which you can use different dimensions than what I did. These are just the dimensions that I used. All you have to do for step 2 is cut out your outline. Now we're going to connect the pieces we just cut out with the white duct tape, except one of the biggest pieces that you cut out we won't put on just quite yet. Now you'll understand why we didn't finish enclosing the box. The duct tape is being used in the edges of the middle of the box in order to keep the box held together. Now it's time to connect the last piece. Now it's time for the black duct tape to be added to the middle sections of each side. Now that we have the base done, we need to design the handle that goes on top. After you have the handle designed, cut it out. Now we need to duct tape our handle together. Since we have the handle made, we can attach it to the top of our box with white duct tape. We have the top handle done, but we still have the side handle to make, so we're going to have to repeat steps 7 through 10 in order to create that side handle and attach it. However, the side handle is a little different than the top because the side has more elongated dimensions than the top. Now we're finally making the blade. However, I feel as though I messed up on this part. Nothing major, just I feel as though I made the blade too long for the chainsaw and that it flops back and forth because of the length, so you might not want to follow my dimensions exactly and make it a bit shorter. For this part, I covered the middles of both sides of the blade with black duct tape and the bottom part of the blade, and then the other edges that were not covered in duct tape, I covered it in white. Once you're done, attach the blade. Last but not least will be decorating. This is optional and pretty simple, and all I did was add a few little cut out diamonds from the white duct tape and put on little rectangles here and there to make it look a little bit better or more appealing. But yeah, now you have it. You have finished the chainsaw. Yay!